So today we're going to talk about the three sewing machines I use for my clothing brand. First is a heavy duty Singer. That's for top stitching. And here's an example of that top stitching. Second, it's my Serger Brother model Lock 34D. This gives you clean, professional seams. So the third and final machine is my Brother Cover Stitch machine. And that's great for hemming. Now, here's an example of that. Gives you the professional look. You use that while doing a sweater or a t-shirt. That's the hem. And it provides that stretch. So it's not going to take away from that quality. Look at that stretch. That's amazing.